He's trying to get the water. He's trying to attack the water, Christian. He likes it.
Hey, look at the water on me!
What do you think, Boomer? Did you have enough?
Yeah.
Did you get enough, Bum Bum? I think he likes it. I think he really likes it, Christian. You want to jump on the trampoline?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me make sure it's not broken. No, I don't think it's broken.
I take my shoes off.
Yeah, you can take your shoes off.
A grasshopper.
Did you see that grasshopper?
Yeah, it's a big one right there.
I don't see it anymore. I guess it's hiding really good in the grass. Okay, take your shoes off.
He's still going to get the grass.
He's still going to get the water.
I can't see this.
Hey, Christian, what's tomorrow?
My birthday.
It's your birthday?
Yeah.
How old are you going to be?
I'll be 4.
You're going to be 4?
Yeah.
So,
I'm growing up so tall.
oh my God, you are getting so tall. So is today your last day of being 3?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, last day of being 3.
I think Boomer's gonna go.
I think he's tired now. Are you getting tired too?